In the production monitoring world, the people are represented by two separate but completely unequal approaches: vendors who require operator input and one who does not. In manufacturing, companies who have recovered from mediocre monitoring solutions are members of an elite squad known as the No Operator Input movement. These are their stories.
Started with a certain particular software brand, and I thought it was cool at first, but very shortly into it, I noticed that you had to enter a lot of data and information to even get what the little data I was looking for. So long story short, I kind of gave up on it really quick. And then Datanomix came in and more or less saved the day. We demoed their software. It was like a day transition, and they got a couple machines hooked up for us, and we had data at the end of the day enough to look at and go, wow, this is exactly what we kind of were looking for.
With another company and had some limitations as to what we were able to do. There's a lot of back and forth. The biggest problem was that they gave us plenty of data, but it was hard to have a full-time person interpret that data. By happenstance, we just kind of came across Datanomix. Once we started looking at the software and the capabilities of it, and how there's no operator intervention, we knew that this could be something that could work. So we dug a little bit deeper into it and definitely saw the benefit of it. It's very intuitive, super easy to use, user-friendly. The guys there have been great working with us, being able to get our palleted systems, our chucking lathes, our multi-channel machining centers, our Swiss machines. Everything's been hooked up. It's been a great addition to the shop.